Today we are discussing about the appropriate preposition. How to choose the appropriate preposition from bracket. Okay, number one, compare your answer to with for your partners means compare your answer means it is compare these goods and goods. That's why we have to use with. This is right. With. Compare your answer with your partner. Mango and apple are in same box. Understand? Inside the box. That's why it is bounded by the circumstances or surface. That's why it is in. In. Inside mangoes and apple are in, that means the same box. Write me soon. Write to me soon means just write to me soon means it is the message. So you have to write soon means to. To is here, that's why we have to use to. I am tall in with and on black hair with. You see, I am tall with black hair. It is compared to the dress, hair, eye structure, whatever is related to our body, covered with body or relate to the body. That's why it is with. With. It is with. Understand? Guess what I have? Guess what I have in my hand. Guess what I have meant. Suppose if you have to put in your hand openly, anybody can see. It is not necessary to guess. But while you make a fist like this, and it is mysterious. That's why it is covered by the fingers. That's why it is, guess what I have in. In is here, it is right. In is right. Okay, we walk in up to along the edge of the desert. Up to means the edge of the desert, from one part to another part, up to this point to these two different points that we need to cover. That's why up to that's why it is right. Are you wearing anything down, below, underneath? While we are wearing the one cloth and inside my cloth, if you indicate inside the cloth, in this condition you have to always use underneath. Underneath. Okay. Hurry is arriving, eat on and buy. Three things. Buy train. The time is mentioned here. That's why it is on. Time is mentioned by. If the only train is here, we have to use by. If there is a time 3:30 train, it is the time, indicate the time. That's why on is here. On is right and it is on here. Alright. Same thing. The house is in on is the way, where the way from Parbat to Pokhara means the house is in on and at. The way means it is the vehicle is moving, or suppose if you are moving, the way is going on. At that time you have to use on. On is here. but especially we have to use it also. If it is located at a specific time, there is no specific time, that's why we use on. If it is indicate the specific time, in this condition, it is not necessary to put on, especially 8. Specific point in a small place we have to use 8. Specific point, specific place in large place we have to use in. Okay, on is here, but both are not correct, that's why on is here. Shall we go to the cinema Sunday, on Monday, on Friday? These days indicate the days, that's why it is also on. On is here, and it is right. We must get up early in the morning, in the evening, like this. The part of the day we have to use in. The part of the day, in the morning, in the afternoon, this is in. Okay, the lockdown started. Point of time, Soitra 21 is the point of time, especially the point of time we have to use. On is here, that is on. Alright. We went to the bed at on in midnight. At especially at the midnight at the in the afternoon is here, but midnight you have to use it. Especially right at the middle part of the night or day. I mean 8. I will have finished this assignment Friday. Means the coming. I will have it. Let's see the future perfect tense. It is done by, it indicated by. That's within the time, before the time we have to use by. That's why we have to use by. So I will have finished this assignment by Friday. By Friday, you see, the is by is used for, especially used for the perfect tense. So compare your answer with your partner. Mango and apple are in the same box. Write to me soon. Order. I am tall with black hair and brown eyes. Guess what I have in my hand? With water up to one point to another, the edge of the desert. Are you wearing anything underneath, covered by the another clothing? We have to use underneath. Hurry is arriving on 3:30 train. Means this is the point of time, not by train. It indicates the time. That's why we have to use on. The house is on the way from Palmer to Pokhara. Shall we go to the cinema on Sunday, on Monday, on Tuesday, on Saturday, in the morning, in the afternoon? We must get up in morning. The lockdown started on Chaitra. This is the specific point of time, so I use on. We went to the bed at midnight. Yes, that's why we will have finished this assignment by Friday, by next month, by next year, by next week, whatever else you have to use by. By is especially in future, I mean perfect tense, any perfect tense. All right.